Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Do what you love and love what you do. Choose a job which you love, and you will never have to do a work for a single day in your entire life. Both this quotation shows us the importance of career choice in our life. What is career and how to make a career choice? Career is when an occupation is undertaken for a significant amount of time in life by someone and have progress opportunities. So this is called career. According to another definition, career is the combination of our life experiences, our learning experiences, and our work experiences. Now, whenever we want to make a career choice, we should take into consideration these four things, and we should take the decision on the basis of our skills, our interest, our values, and our personality. So if all these four things suit a career, then we should choose it and we should go for it. How can we make the best career choice? Is it possible to make the best career choice? So yes, it is very much possible. If you want to be happy and if you want to enjoy our life, if you want to make the best career choice, then we should listen to our heart. And we should not follow the crowds, and we should not follow the trends. So when we listen to our heart, this is how we will be happy, and this is how we will enjoy our life, and we will enjoy our career. There are two different research as far as the choice of career is concerned. So according to research number 1, there are certain steps. If we follow these steps, so we can make a better career choice. Step number 1 is we should think deeply about ourselves. We should know about ourselves, our weaknesses, our strength. Secondly, we should make a broad list of careers. We should write different careers. And we should investigate that list, that what I have written, what career I have written in the list. Then we should shorten the list. For example, in the first list, if I have written 7, 8 careers, now in the second list, I should make just 1 or 2 careers. When I shorten the list, after this I should meet with the expert of those fields, and I should take advice from them, suggestion from them. After meeting with the expert of those fields, then I should think about my life goals. As we know, everybody has set some goals for life, so I should think about my life goals, whether my life goals and the career which I am going to choose they are suitable with each other. After this, I should make a choice or take a decision. And after taking a decision or making a choice, then I should devise a work plan. That how I will follow my career. So this is according to one research, how to make a career choice. According to the second research, whatever career path we want to choose for ourselves in life, we should value our values. Value our values mean that whatever values we have, we should value them. For example, honesty is a value, hard work is a value, commitment is a value, loyalty is a value. So we should value all our values, and this is how when we value our values, so we will remain happy in our life. Some of the values which we should value, like hard work, be fair, don't hate anyone, share, contribute, listen, tell the truth, be kind, and join. So these are some of the values which we should value. And when we value our values and we remind ourselves these values again and again, so this is how we will live a happy, confident, and satisfied life, and we will also enjoy our career. There is a beautiful quotation. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that matters. So we must have the courage to continue our efforts And when we continue our efforts and we show consistency, so we will achieve each and everything in our life. I'd like to end with this beautiful quotation of Ibrahim Linkin. He says, "The best way to predict a future is to create it." Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed.